Saturday, everybody. We are under that ABC-7 First Alert, but we're also live from the pit party for today's Monster Jam. So take a look around me. This is a great environment out here. We have El Toro Loco. I match my dress with that monster truck right there. We got tons of trucks out here, lots of families, young, little kids. They're so cute out here. It's really a great environment, and we have great weather as well. But unfortunately, tomorrow the weather isn't going to be so friendly. In fact, that's why we're under an ABC-7 First Alert, as we're expecting some very strong winds to enter the area. But for tonight, we're going to have a great night out, and some of us don't even need a jacket with these wonderful temperatures dropping down to the mid-50s over the next couple hours. But take a look at this. Over the next several days, we're expecting very windy conditions. And look at tomorrow. 65-mile-per-hour winds are possible out of the west-southwest. So we are looking at the possibility of some blowing dust and sand across the region, but 65-mile-per-hour winds, those are damaging. So really, I am telling you tonight, take the opportunity to clean up around your house, your backyard. Make sure everything is secure, because tomorrow it will be so windy, things are going to be blowing left and right. For Monday, winds will die down, but then the winds are going to increase a little bit every single day of this upcoming week. Thursday looks to be quite windy as well. Now, let's look at your windcast for tomorrow. We're expecting winds out of the west-southwest 35 to 45 miles per hour, but those peak wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. So once again, damaging winds are possible tomorrow. The timing, they're really going to start picking up around noon tomorrow and last all the way through the evening, 7 o'clock. It's going to impact everybody, so we're all at risk of seeing those very strong winds. And what's at risk of being damaged? Well, weak trees, power lines, those unsecured items can blow away as well. We're talking trampolines, patio chairs, something like that. Your breakdown of your day tomorrow, it will be warm, but you're really going to want to avoid being outside at all because the winds are going to be so strong. It'll be blowing sand and dust around the area as well. Your forecast highs look like this: 64 for El Paso tomorrow, 62 in Las Cruces, 55 in Deming, and 62 in Alamogordo. So once again, not too bad temperature-wise, but the winds, you're really just going to want to avoid doing anything outside. Let's take a look at, actually, I just made this graphic, so I want to say, where's Katie going next? I want to do more live shots out in the field. So if you have an event going on, let me know. Email me if you want me to go live from a park. You name it, on Saturday or Sunday. I'd love to go live at 5, 6, or 10 every weekend, unless we're under a first alert like tomorrow. I won't be going live from the field tomorrow. Your 70 forecast, sponsored by Mattress Firm, looks like this. Tomorrow, a very low chance of rain, a not zero chance of rain, but really tomorrow the concern are going to be the winds. Temperatures in the 60s for the next couple days, warming up for Tuesday and Wednesday, but once again, the winds are going to return for Wednesday and Thursday as well. So a windy week ahead. You guys can come back to me. It's a good environment. I'm very lucky to be out here standing in beautiful conditions. Winds are light. It's warm enough for me to wear a short sleeve, and you guys know I get cold. So we'll be back at the end of the show.